Present for sale at Three Pines Garage. Registration HK65HGA. Renault Trafic LL29 Energy dCi 125 Business 9-seater. It has done 135,000 miles and has 2 keys. It is a factory 9-seat minibus. The van comes with air conditioning, DAB radio, Bluetooth, tailgate, parking sensors. Here we have a trusty Trafic factory fitted with 9 seats. This vehicle has spent the majority of its life doing local school runs, has had a super easy life, and the condition really proves it. A full MOT and full service are included in the sale. Part exchange is considered at trade value. Finance options available and warranty is included. There is no VAT. You can contact us at 07300 300 101 or at 01885488188. Go to threepinesgarage.co.uk now to find up to 100 crew vans, panel vans, and 9-seaters in stock. Open 7 days a week for viewing.